today we're going to make the Trinity or raspberry stitch. So this is the way it looks. Isn't that pretty? Let me show you up close. So let's do this. This is a multiple of 4. So it needs to be like 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, that kind of. So 1, 2, I'm just casting on, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And I'm using the needles that the yarn calls for. This is a number 4 worsted yarn, and I'm using number 8 knitting needles. So row number 1, you are going to purl the whole row, and this is the right side of your work. It's very funny, but it is going to show, your stitch is going to show on this side. So as soon as I do my whole row on purl, I'll come back and show you the next one. Okay, row number 2, and this is the wrong side. What you're going to do is that you're going to, and on the same stitch, on that same stitch, you're going to knit, bring your yarn to the front and purl, bring your yarn to the back and knit. So you did 3 stitches into that same one. Now I can take it off. Now I bring my yarn to the front and purl these 3 stitches together. Okay, let's do that again. We are going to, on that same stitch, we're going to knit, bring your yarn to the front, purl, bring your yarn to the back and knit, and then purl these 3 stitches together. Again, knit, whoops, let's get this again, knit, purl, and knit into the same stitch, and then purl these 3 stitches together. Again, knit, purl, knit onto the same stitch, and then purl 3 stitches together, and then again knit, purl, and knit into the same stitch, and then purl the 3 stitches together. Okay, now row number 3, you purl the whole row. So I will purl, remember to get all of them. You're going to have funny looking stitches because you did 3 into the same one. So purl the whole row, and I'll see you on row number 4. Okay, so since we want the bubbles alternated, you see, like so, we want to start, instead of knit, purl, knit into the same stitch, we are going to start with purl 3 together, and this is row number 4. So purl 3 stitches together, and then knit, purl, and knit. So again, purl these 3 stitches together, and knit, purl, and knit into the same one. Again, purl 3 stitches together, and then yarn in the back, knit, bring your yarn to the front, purl, and bring your yarn to the back and knit. Again, purl these 3 stitches together, and then knit, purl, and knit, and then purl these 3 stitches together, and knit, purl, knit, and that's it. That's all it is, and it's going to look on this side. This is the right side. So number 1 and number 3 are the right sides. And this is how it looks. Isn't that pretty? So these are cushions. I'm going to put them together, and this is the way it looks. Thank you very much for watching. Share us with your friends and subscribe. I'll see you next time.